Welcome to Fixotv. Today, we'll be exploring some of the most remarkable reptiles in Africa, a continent renowned for its diverse ecosystems. From scorching deserts to humid swamps, Africa is home to many fascinating and fearsome reptiles. The Nile crocodile, the largest crocodile in Africa and the second largest in the world after the saltwater crocodile, can grow up to 5 meters long and weigh over 700 kilograms. This species primarily inhabits large rivers, lakes, and swamps, from Egypt to South Africa. Nicknamed the king of the waterways, the Nile crocodile is an apex predator, often lurking underwater to ambush animals like fish, birds, antelopes, and even buffalo. With the strongest bite force in the animal kingdom, it can firmly grip its prey in its jaws and spin its body to tear apart the flesh. Remarkably, this species can go months without food, and when the opportunity arises, they consume large amounts to make up for it. The Nile crocodile plays a crucial role in the ecosystem by helping to regulate the populations of other animals, maintaining balance in their habitat. The Egyptian cobra, or Nile, is one of the most famous and feared snakes in North Africa. Growing up to 2.5 meters in length, this snake is known for its ability to flare its hood and raise the upper part of its body when threatened, creating a characteristic intimidating posture. The venom of the Egyptian cobra is a potent mixture that primarily affects the nervous system and can be fatal if not treated promptly. This species typically inhabits desert areas, grasslands, and even regions near human settlements, where it hunts primarily on rodents, lizards, and birds. The Egyptian cobra holds significant historical importance in ancient Egypt, revered as a symbol associated with gods, power, and protection. Despite its fearsome reputation, the Egyptian cobra generally avoids humans and only attacks when provoked. It plays a crucial role in controlling rodent populations, helping to prevent disease outbreaks and maintaining ecological balance. The spiny-tailed lizard, also known as Euromastix, is a well-known desert lizard with an impressive ability to survive in the harsh, arid environments of North Africa and the Middle East. This species can grow up to 76 centimeters in length and weigh over 1 kilogram. One of its most distinctive features is its large, spiked tail, which serves as an effective defense weapon against predators. Euromastix is herbivorous, primarily feeding on shrubs, wild grasses, and seeds. In the extreme desert conditions, this lizard has developed the ability to store water in its body, allowing it to survive for weeks without drinking. During the day, the spiny-tailed lizard hides in self-dug burrows beneath the sand to avoid the scorching heat, emerging only when the temperatures drop in the early morning or late afternoon. Another key adaptation is its ability to regulate body temperature by shifting between shade and sunlight. Its thick skin and tough scales help minimize water loss and protect against the harsh weather conditions. Euromastix plays a crucial role in the desert ecosystem, contributing to ecological balance through its plant-based diet and its burrowing activities, which help rejuvenate the soil. The sulcata tortoise, also known as the African spurred tortoise, Centrochelys sulcata*, is the largest tortoise in Africa and the third largest in the world. After the Galapagos and Aldabra tortoises, it can grow up to 76 centimeters in length and weigh over 100 kilograms, primarily inhabiting semi-desert regions and arid grasslands of the Sahel. From Senegal to Ethiopia, the sulcata tortoise is famous for its resilience in harsh environments, where daytime temperatures can exceed 40 degrees Celsius. It adapts by digging deep underground burrows, creating extensive tunnels where it shelters to stay cool and preserve moisture. These burrows can be as deep as 3 meters and stretch up to 10 meters in length, helping the tortoise avoid extreme temperatures and survive during the dry season. Sulcata tortoises are herbivores, primarily feeding on dry grasses, leaves, and dried fruits. They possess the ability to store water in their bodies, allowing them to survive for weeks without drinking. With a lifespan that can reach up to 70 years, sulcata tortoises play a crucial role in the desert ecosystem, helping to control vegetation and creating habitats for smaller animals through the burrows they construct. The boomslang, Dyspholytus typus, is an arboreal snake with extremely potent venom, primarily found in southern and central Africa. Although relatively small, measuring around 1.6 meters in length, The boomslang is one of the most dangerous snakes in the world. Known for its exceptional climbing abilities and agility in trees, the boomslang can easily hunt birds, lizards, and even other snakes. The venom of the boomslang is primarily a hemotoxin, which destroys blood cells and causes severe internal bleeding. What makes this snake particularly dangerous is that its bite often causes no immediate pain, allowing victims to remain unaware of the threat until symptoms appear hours later. Without timely treatment, its venom can be fatal. Boomslangs typically hide among dense tree canopies or areas with thick vegetation, where they can easily camouflage thanks to their green or brown coloration. Despite their powerful venom, boomslangs are very shy and only attack when threatened. Uniquely, this snake can open its mouth almost 170 degrees to deliver a deep bite to its prey. A trait rarely seen in other snakes. The boomslang is a striking example of how animals can adapt perfectly to their environment. It is both a fearsome predator and an essential part of the African forest ecosystem. The African fat-tailed gecko, Hemithecunix caudicinctus, is a unique gecko species native to West Africa, ranging from Senegal to Nigeria. What makes this species stand out is its thick, rounded tail, which stores fat to help it survive during periods of food scarcity. Thanks to this ability to reserve energy, the fat-tailed gecko can endure harsh conditions in the wild, measuring about 20 to 25 centimeters in length. The African fat-tailed gecko has a stocky body and smooth skin, usually brown with light-colored stripes. It is primarily nocturnal, hunting insects such as crickets, beetles, and spiders. Its excellent camouflage abilities help it avoid predators in the wild. Not only is the fat-tailed gecko a fascinating animal, but it also plays a crucial role in the ecosystem by controlling insect populations. With its distinctive tail, this gecko is truly a storage expert in the animal kingdom. The giant girdled lizard, Smaug gigantus, is a large lizard native to southern Africa, growing up to 40 centimeters in length. Known for its armor-like, tough scales, this species has an effective defense mechanism against predators. It lives in rocky crevices and forms small groups, actively protecting its territory. The giant girdled lizard is both herbivorous and insectivorous, feeding on plants and insects, contributing to the ecological balance in the arid and rocky environments of Africa. Its tough scales and communal behavior help it survive in the harsh, dry habitats where it thrives. Reptiles play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of Africa. From crocodiles regulating aquatic animal populations to cobras and lizards controlling insects and small animals, each species contributes to the food chain and the preservation of the natural environment. Africa's ecosystem relies not only on large animals but also on the remarkable presence and adaptability of these reptiles. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos on the fascinating world of wildlife.